I think I was just more or less thinking about like the marketing templates and setting up the campaigns and how often they go out, things like that.
Oh, cool. Did I send you the spreadsheet for the marketing? I believe I did, didn't I?
It was probably a month or so ago. I'd have to look for it, but probably.
Yeah, I sent you an email this morning about it. My question is, you had said pick out the ones you like. I mean, I went through it. I like them all. I mean, is there any reason we shouldn't choose to have all of them? I mean, otherwise I would say just turn them all on. But that's why that was a question I had to ask you about it.
Oh, okay. Not a problem, Bill. No, there's no reason not to turn them all on. The birthday, the anniversary, the holiday ones, those are pretty straightforward, and we can get those all flipped on for you with no problem. The ones that are the ones you're going to have to go back, and you're going to have to tell me what changes you want made is like this group here, up here for lead email.
Mm-hmm.
You need to tell me when you want them to go out. I mean, I have, tell me what them to go out. Straightforward. I can get emails. You have a couple different ones to choose from. You just need to send the grid back to me and tell me which one you want to use, and I can get those flipped on. One.
Right. Correct.
And YouTube.
Definitely campaign.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can tell it to just create a list with just your email addresses, Anthony, as well as I can do one for just Bill, and then assign those lists to different versions of the email. But
All right, so we'll go through them and put in the body the stuff we need. So let's, for example, the one you just showed, part 1 through 5. If we say we'd like this one fired off every 2 weeks, just for this example, and we say that to you, you're then what? You're going into our files, and I mean, I'm still not following what triggers it. Is it triggered by Calyx? Is it triggered by Pulse people in the background? Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, good. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Right, right. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I see it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Gotcha.